This is the Hyundai Kona Electric, which makes its debut at the Geneva Motor Show. It's an all-electric SUV. You can see the charging point is right over here, and that's where it's the plug goes in. It's got a range of about 300 kilometers, but what's important is that it is coming to the Indian market. It's going to be priced at around 25 lakhs, so that's the target price at least. And Hyundai is going to locally assemble it, so that is going to try and bring the price down. They're going to sell around 50 to 60 a month. That's what they think they can do. Interior is pretty straightforward, though of course, like most electrics, you get these high-tech screens which give you all the information on charge, range, that sort of thing. It's not a very big SUV. It is, I would say, a Creta size. Have a look at the back seat. It's not very spacious, but you know, people aren't buying this for practicality. They're buying it to make a statement, and that's what you would pay such a high price for. But here it is, not madly spacious, but overall this is quite a compelling buy if someone looking at an EV. And 25 lakhs, well, it is expensive, but not madly expensive. And this is what Hyundai wants to give its green credentials, or show its green credentials in the Indian market. Let's take a quick look around at the back. It's pretty straightforward. Got a bit of a Creta-ish look over here, or very much has Hyundai's design language.